This is my first factory tour in Ryazan. TECHNONICOL has 72 different factories in Russia. So this is the first such factory in Russia that I have visited. And I find it very interesting. We are very happy because this is the first time we have participated in a factory tour. This factory is very famous and large. The tour guides helped us a lot and explained very clearly and specifically the processes of production of the finished goods. We got very good impressions. And, as far as we were explained, 3 people work on each line, that is, 9 people work on 3 lines. We were explained the entire production process from the preparation of raw materials to the release of finished products.
It is very important for us to work with young people and show our future employees or students of any university how a modern Russian enterprise is organized. This is very important because eventually these people will go to get jobs at factories, and we want to hire the best and want to work with the best. We want people not to be afraid to work at manufacturing companies and understand how interesting it is, how promising it is, and how exciting it is. It is important for us not only to show what a good, wonderful, and technological our company is, it is also very important for us to communicate with the younger generation, to see what values they have, what interests they have, what worries them, what fears they have, in order to dispel their myths, dispel their prejudices, so that they want to come to work for us.